Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'm back with another short and simple tutorial video where I'm going to show you how you can enable the dark mode in Windows 10. But before we start the video guys, please make sure to subscribe my channel as we are very close to 1000 subscribers, and do follow me on Instagram. I'll have the link in description below. Okay, the first thing you need to do is click on the start menu and then click on settings, and now click on personalization and then click on colors, and now choose your default ape mode and click on dark mode, and that's it. So the dark mode is now enabled. So that's it for this video guys, and if you guys like the video, make sure to subscribe the channel. I'll keep a like aim of 30 likes on this video, so help me achieve the target, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.